Hello everyone. Welcome to MB Love channel. Today I got a bird from World Trade that happens a week ago. Exactly 1 week ago on Saturday, September 27th. Today is October 4th. Alright. I got a bird back. Her bird number is 1308. Very good hen. It's beautiful eye. Beautiful eye. I put her in the breeder loft. Alright. Pigtail. Well balanced. She's so skinny when she get home. But condition is good. This is the wing. Nice wing. Alright. Tight fans, close and tight fan. The gap between the heel and the gap, the fin, it's 1 finger apart. Beautiful head. I like her. She looks calm, she's calm. A small bird. Alright. Good bird.